that girl is. This is how you know your dough is ready. Super soft. When I dip my fingers into the dough, they come out clean. So this is the final product. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Diana and I go by the name D_KE, and I make lifestyle vlogs as well as tech videos. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, like, and go through my YouTube channel. Go through my YouTube videos and watch some of my content. And I just woke up and today I want to prepare fluffy mandazis. Actually, the main reason I'm shooting this video is because someone asked me how do I manage to make fluffy mandazis, because I'd shared on my WhatsApp, and I decided let me just make a video about it so that anyone might get educated. So with me, I had already started, and I'm just going to use sugar, baking powder, warm water, and that is it. Nothing else I'm going to add, and I already started, so let me show you. So here I have my wheat flour. These are 2 cups of wheat flour. This is 3 spoons of sugar, this size of spoon, and I'm going to add in my baking powder. I'm using this one as my baking powder. Sorry, this one. I've been using it for the longest. So I'm going to add in 1 full spoon of baking powder. Very full, like that. It's full. And I have warm water here, very warm. Let me mix them like that, like that, like that. Then I go in little by little. Little by little, little by little. You don't have to like add a lot of water, just slowly by slowly, like that. Slowly by slowly, because if you add the entire water at once, it will not make the entire dough look so good. So just slowly by slowly, you need to take your time, no hurry. You want fluffy mandazis, you want them to taste good. This is the process. Just water. You add water little by little. Just added water. So let's keep kneading. You just need to take your time, okay? No hurry. Take your time. I have added water again. And so when it reaches this stage, it's very hard. So I just keep kneading until this gets off my hands. It gets off my hand. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? My husband just woke up, so just trying to mess with him. So when it reaches this stage, don't add water like pouring like that. No, dip your hands into that water and you go in kneading until it becomes smooth. Like I said, you have to take your time. No need to hurry. you want those fluffy mandazis. So yeah, just take your time. And this is unfiltered video. I want you to see each step. However long it will be, just watch it till the end. They have gotten off my hand. Do you see? Let's keep dipping our hand into water. You do the same for chapatis. Okay, not for fluffy, to get fluffy, but to get a smoother consistency. So I'll keep going in, dipping my hands into the cup that has that warm water. I'll keep kneading. I will keep kneading. Yes, the flour is very hard, but yeah, the more we dip our hands into water, the more soft it will become. And you see, I have nothing on my hand, but yeah, next time it will be super clean. Ooh. And see, my dough is very, very soft. My fingers can go in easily. So the last thing I'm going to add is just going to add in a little oil, okay? So I have oil on my hands, just little, as you can see. I'm going in like that. Napika dua. Mimi napika kitu inaitwa duas. So my hands are super clean, meaning the dough is ready, but I'm going to cover it for around 10 minutes. Yeah. This is how you know your dough is ready. I want you to look at it. Super soft. When I dip my fingers into the dough, they come out clean. They come out. And since I don't have an aluminum foil, I'm going to put these inside this paper, and I'm going to cover it like that. Like that, and give it around 10 to 15 minutes, then start cooking mandazis. My camera is recording, but let me show you. So I have made that size. You just roll it round like the way you roll for chapatis, and then you cut into your desirable pieces or shapes. So let me show you how we make this fluffy mandazis. See how fluffy this one is? Yes, fluffy that girl is. fluffy girl, fluffy body. Look how fluffy. It even wants to burst. Ooh. Oh my god. So this is the final product. This is what I'm going to eat. See, they are so fluffy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. So if you watch this video till the end and you liked it and you are gonna try, let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe. So cheers. Cheers. So let me enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Make sure you take care of yourself. This is ginger. This is ginger tea.